Slice some ginger. Steam ribs inside this pumpkin. Holidays coming. This easy, delicious dish will impress your guest any dinner party or impress your family. The ribs are so juicy, flavored with fermented black beans, ginger and green onions. Will be the highlight of your dinner party. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. In China, we usually use the ribs. You cut it really small, like this. That will be half of the size. Some market actually will cut it for you. But if you go to Asian market, already cut it. I will be cutting this myself with my special cleaver. This is a chopper. Just be careful. Don't cut your finger. I cut this into individual one. Then we chop this in half. First, we marinate the ribs. I always mix the soy sauce. Always tastes better than regular soy sauce and the dark soy sauce. You know me. I measure with my eyeballs, especially these Chinese eyeballs. But the measurements down in the description. Soy sauce, regular soy sauce first, then dark soy sauce. Now we add cooking wine and sugar. Of course, some white pepper. Here I always have fermented black beans. This is gonna give a really good flavor to the ribs. I can just break them with my fingers or you can chop them. Now we also slice some ginger. About 5-6 slices. Add in here. Then chop 2 green onions. Add in the ribs. So before we put in the steamer, we add cornstarch or I have bean starch, mung bean starch. Then we mix with hands with mung bean starch or cornstarch. So this will keep the moist, the juice in the ribs. So your ribs won't be dry, will be very juicy. Lock in. My husband's not even getting a massage from me anymore. The ribs does. Yeah, this is more important. If you have time, you can make this day before. Marinate this overnight. Tastes even better. Smell your finger after massage. Oh, this soy sauce. Now you're gonna cover, sit on the side for 30 minutes. Now first, we are going to cut this into a ball. We cut a cap. Maybe you wanna draw a circle on the top as a guideline. Doesn't have to be perfect, as long as you can eat this. I guess you can. Maybe something like this. Start cutting the top off. It's very thick. Ooh. Cut a cap off. Here's your little hat. You can give to your kids, but as a decoration, we are going to keep it. So I cut the bottom here so the bowl will be actually more stable, stay on the table. It'll be flat. I have the whole set of carving tools. You don't have to. Just use any sharp knife or use your cleaver. So now we scrape everything out of this pumpkin. Pumpkin, 南瓜. Actually, you can save the seeds, make into a snack, Chinese snack called 瓜子. It's great for movie night.
I'm gonna block this logo because I don't want any strangers to see it.
Now we scoop all the seeds out. Now you have a perfect bowl for ribs. We'll put in here. Ribs. We put the pumpkin here in the steamer, and later we put the ribs in. Steam for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, depends how big your pumpkin. Maybe yours needs 15 minutes. Just check. Oh, mine's ready for the ribs. Because it's really hot and pumpkin has all the water. So the first we steam it first, so we can dump out some water. So your ribs won't be too watery inside the pumpkin. Now look at that. Perfect bowl. Now we put the meat right here in the pumpkin. Fill in. My pumpkin is perfect size for all this meat. I'm adding the, if you're having leftover beans in the bowl, just add in. Smells so good. Ooh, smell like home, like back home. Where's the hat, the cover? Here it is. Put the hat on. I like the ribs really soft, fall off the bone. So I usually steam longer, just check. If you like a little chewier texture, you can steam less, maybe 40 minutes. Just depends. Now it's ready. Oh, look at the steam. I can just smell this. This is a lot of juice in the pumpkin. It's like a soup in here. You can take out the soup, pour on your rice. That's the best. This piece, let's take a bite. The fermented black beans on here gives a lot of flavor. So good. And eat with the pumpkin. Your holiday is complete. Thanks for watching. And always give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I can see you next time. And also, just one rib for you. Hope see you next time.